Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an essential dental procedure that often gets overlooked but plays a significant role in maintaining oral health: dental scaling. Join us as we uncover why scaling is important and how it benefits your teeth and gums. So let's dive right in. Before we delve into scaling, let's understand the culprits behind many dental issues: dental plaque and tartar. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that constantly forms on our teeth. If not removed through regular brushing and flossing, it can harden into tartar, which is more challenging to remove and can lead to various dental problems. Dental scaling is a professional cleaning procedure performed by a dentist or dental hygienist. Using specialized tools, they carefully remove plaque and tartar buildup from the surfaces of your teeth and below the gum line. This process is crucial in maintaining healthy teeth and gums. Scaling is vital for preventing gum disease, also known as periodontal disease. When tartar accumulates below the gum line, it irritates and inflames the gums, leading to gingivitis. If left untreated, gingivitis can progress to more severe gum disease, causing gum recession and even tooth loss. Regular scaling can prevent these complications and help keep your gums healthy. Dental scaling also plays a significant role in stopping tooth decay. When tartar builds up on the teeth, it creates a shield for harmful bacteria to thrive, increasing the risk of cavities. By removing this hardened plaque, scaling helps prevent cavities and preserves your natural teeth. Scaling isn't just about oral health, it also contributes to fresher breath and a more beautiful smile. The removal of plaque and tartar eliminates the bacteria responsible for bad breath, giving you renewed confidence in your interactions. Additionally, it can improve the appearance of your teeth, making them look cleaner and brighter. Scaling is a fundamental part of preventive dental care. It's recommended to have professional dental cleanings every 6 months to maintain optimal oral health. Even if you have excellent oral hygiene habits, certain areas can be challenging to clean thoroughly, making professional scaling necessary. One of the best things about scaling is that it's generally pain-free and straightforward. Your dentist or dental hygienist will ensure your comfort throughout the process. Plus, the benefits of scaling far outweigh any mild discomfort you might experience. So there you have it, the importance of scaling for your dental health. Remember to schedule your routine dental cleanings and checkups to keep your oral health in top-notch condition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, leave any questions or comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care of your smile and stay healthy. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more oral health and wellness tips. As always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.